औद्योगिक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा University, नांदेड. Good morning all the students of class BSc SY, subject zoology. Name of the paper comparative anatomy and physiology. Paper number 7th, semester 3rd, unit number 2nd, enzymes. In the enzymes, first we detail study about nature and classification of enzymes. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. This detail we study about enzymes. What is meant by enzymes? Everybody, you know, enzyme is the proteins. They made by the proteins. They are essential part of our digestion process. Different process they are completed. Generally digestion process, different exoenzymes and endoenzymes, they are essential for the digestion. The generally is detailed study about the enzymes. Then this the enzymes, that is the properties, classification, example of coenzymes, factors affecting enzyme activity, mechanism of enzyme activity. One by one we detail study about this topic. The first, that is the enzymes. An enzyme is a protein or the RNA produced by living cells, which is highly specific and highly catalytic to its substrate. Enzymes are the very important type of macromolecular biological catalyst. Due to the action of enzymes, chemical reaction in the organism can also be carried out efficiently and specifically under the mild condition. In short, that is the enzymes are the proteins. Enzymes are the catalyst. Catalyst means those substances with the help of this substance, that is the chemical reaction is increases fast. That is also, it is also called catalyst to its substrate. Enzymes are so important macromolecular biological catalyst. Due to the action of enzyme, that is the chemical reaction in the organism can also carried out efficiently and specifically under the mild condition. The generally enzymes. Firstly, different scientists, that is the give the idea about the enzyme, that is the history of enzymes. The term enzyme was coined in 1878 by the Friedrich William Kuhne. First time they give this concept enzyme. Enzymes biological catalyst that had previously been called ferments. Firstly, that is, they say that enzyme it is also called as the ferments or biological catalyst. Manifestation of nature's impatience. The name generally enzyme, en, that is the Greek word, enzyme, the Greek word yeast. They made by the Greek word yeast. Literally means in yeast. Enzyme means in yeast. Because of the most reasonable reaction popularly known as alcohol fermentation by the zymase enzyme in the yeast. Generally enzyme, it is also first time they are recognizable, popularly known as alcohol fermentation by the zymase enzyme in the yeast. What is the difference between enzyme from the catalyst? Like the catalyst, the enzyme do not alter the chemical equilibrium point of reversible reaction, but only the speed of the reaction is changed. That is the first difference, catalyst and enzyme. Like the catalyst, the enzyme do not having the capacity to alter the chemical equilibrium point of reversible reaction, but only the speed of the reaction is changed with the help of enzyme. Also differ from the catalyst in being the biological product, that is the product from the living cells. The enzyme are all proteins, and unlike catalyst cannot last indefinitely in the reaction system, since they being colloidal in nature often become damaged or inactivated by the reaction they catalyze. They must be replaced constantly by the further synthesis in the body. Also, unlike the catalyst, most individual enzymes are very specific in that they act either on a single or at the most on some structurally related substrate. Generally, this difference between catalyst and the enzyme. Then nomenclature. Generally, enzymes are generally named according to the reaction they catalyze or by suffering as inverted ASE after the name of substrate. The International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology developed a nomenclature for the enzymes. Each enzyme is described by a sequence of 4 numbers preceded by EC. EC denote the enzyme commission and the number of enzyme is called EC number. When classified, each enzyme is assigned the EC number in the form of digit separated by the period. The first number categorizes the enzyme based on its reaction. These are the nomenclature about the enzyme. Then the different scientists, they give the different classification. Only we measure, that is the classification of enzyme. The 7 major classes of enzyme with some important example from one subclasses are described below. First is the oxidoreductase. Second is the transferases. Third is hydrolysis. Fourth is lysase. Fifth is the isomerases. Sixth is the ligases. And seventh is the translucase. The one by one we detail about this classification. First is the oxidoreductase. This class comprised the enzyme which were earlier called dehydrogenases, oxidases, peroxidases, hydroxylases, oxygenase, etc. The group in fact include those enzymes which bring about oxidation reduction reaction between the two substrates. As related their name also we see that is in this enzyme, that is both reaction they are takes place like the oxidation and reduction. Then in this class this enzyme also form dehydrogenases, oxidases, peroxidases, hydrolysis and oxygenase, etc. In this that is also giving the example A reduction plus B oxidation, they to form the A oxidation plus B reduction. Also the oxidoreductase, they catalyze the redox reaction and can be categorized into oxidase and reductase. More precisely, They catalyze the electron transfer reaction. In this class are included the enzyme catalyzing oxidoreduction of CH bonds OH, C double bond O, CH single bond CH, CH single bond NH2 and CH double bond NH group. Also the alcohol dehydrogenase, acetyl coenzyme dehydrogenase, cytochrome oxidase catalyzes. Generally, example H2O2 plus H2O2, then we get 2H2O plus O2. In this, that is A reduction plus B oxidation, then to form the A oxidation plus B reduction. Second is the transferases. Second class, transferases. Also with the help of this name, we also easily say that is the transfer. They are textless. This catalyze the transfer or the exchange of certain group among the some substrate. In these are included the enzyme catalyzing the transfer of one carbon group, aldehydics or ketonic residues, and acyl, glycosyl, alkyl, phosphorus or the sulfur containing groups, choline acetyl transferases, phosphorylase, hexokinases. In this, that is ATP molecule plus D hexose, then to form ADP plus D hexose 6 phosphate. In this also A minus B plus C, then to form the A plus B minus C. That is also the transfer, the catalyze the transfer, or it is also called exchange of certain group among the some substrate. Third class is the hydrolysis. In this, that is they accelerate the hydrolysis of substrate. So we know what is meant by hydrolysis. In this, that is this hydrolysis they accelerate, they accelerate the hydrolysis of the substrate. These catalyze the hydrolysis of their substrate by adding the constituent of water across the bond they split. The substrate include the ester, glycosyl, ether, peptide, acetyl, acid anhydride, carbon-carbon, halide, PN bonds, lipase, beta-galactose, arginase, trypsin, pepsin, plasmin, etc. In this, that is the L-arginine plus H2O molecule, then to form the L-ornithine plus urea. In this also A substrate, B substrate plus H2O, then to form A plus hydrogen plus B OH hydroxyl group. In this, that is also the breakage of H2O hydrolysis. H and OH is separate. Then fourth is the lysases. Promote the removal of group from the substrate to leave a double bond reaction or catalyze its reverse reaction. In these are include the enzyme acting the carbon-carbon, carbon-oxygen, carbon-nitrogen, carbon-sulfur, carbon-halide bonds, aldolase, fumarase and histidase. In this also L maltate to form the fumarate plus H2O. That is also AB, then to form A plus B. That is also they form the reverse reaction, that is also called the synthase. Fifth class is the isomerases. They also facilitate the conversion of isomers, geometric isomers or the optical isomer, alanine racemase, cis-trans isomerase, retinine isomerase, glucose phosphate isomerase. In this also the D-glucose plus 6-phosphate, D-glucose 6-phosphate, then to form the D-fructose 6-phosphate, that is all the trans retinase to form the cis retini, that is ABC, then to form ACB. Then next class is the ligases. In the ligases, that is the catalyze the synthesis of two molecular substrate into the one molecular compound with the realize the energy. There are the enzyme catalyzing the linking together of two compounds utilizing the energy made available due to simultaneous breaking of a pyrophosphate bond in the ATP or a similar compound. This category includes the enzyme catalyzing reaction forming the carbon-oxygen, carbon-sulfur, carbon-nitrogen, carbon-carbon bonds. Acetyl coenzyme synthetase, glucotamine synthetase, acetyl coenzyme carboxylase. These different enzymes they are involved is ATP plus acetate plus coenzyme A, they to form the AMP plus pyrophosphate plus acetyl coenzyme A. It is also A plus B plus ATP, then to form AB plus ADP plus P1. And last class is the translocase. In the translocase, they catalyze the movement of ions or the molecules across the membranes of their separation within the membranes. Here reaction is designed as a transfer from side 1 to side 2. Translocases are the most common secretion system in the gram-positive bacteria. Translocase of the outer membrane TDM can work in the conjugation with the translocase of the inner membrane to transport the proteins into the mitochondria. This is the different classification of the enzyme. Next period we see the mechanism of enzyme activity. Yes, goodbye the student.